Welcome to Translate 5. In this video, we want to show you the functions of language resource management. Language resources are sources that can be used for translation and pre-translation, or terminology work. We will start directly in the language resource management. Here you can see all the language resources that have been created for your customers. Translation memories, machine translators, term collections, and terminologies can be created as language resources in Translate 5. You can use this interface to display the language resources for all or an individual customer. With this button, you can create a new language resource. First, select the type of language resource you want to create. You can choose from the above-mentioned options, such as translation memories, machine translation, term collections, and terminologies. It is important to mention that you need an API key to use the machine translators. This must be stored in the Translate 5 system configuration. Give the language resource a name and select the language combination in which this language resource is to be used. Next, select one or more customers who may use this language resource. If you give one or more clients standard reading rights, this language resource is automatically assigned when you create a new project, provided the language combination is included. For TMs, you can also still store standard write rights for one or more customers. This is analogous to read rights, where the saved text segments from the translation are automatically saved back to the TM or term collection. Optionally, you can upload a TM file or TMX file for a TM. For a term collection, you can upload a TBX file as a final step. Read and write permissions for term collections are covered by the term portal. You can find more info about the term portal in our instructional video about it. In the headers, you can trigger a filtering for the respective header. The header for the assigned tasks is interesting in this case. Here, you can see at a glance how many tasks use this language resource. If you move the mouse over the number, the tooltip shows you the names of the tasks. For TMs, you can click on this symbol and a window opens with the tasks that use this TM. Here you can save the segments of the tasks back into the TM by selecting them and then clicking on Reimport tasks. To always save only fully released translations in your translation processes in the main TM, you can proceed as follows. For example, create a project TM in addition to your main TM for translation. During translation, only assign the main TM with read rights, but not with write rights. Assign the project TM with read and write rights. Now, your translators and proofreaders already receive internal fuzzy matches from the project TM during translation and can also benefit from internal fuzzy matches during billing. Nevertheless, the main TM remains clean. As soon as the entire release workflow of your documents has run through and they are thus final, you can save the documents to the main TM via Reimport tasks. Now, the translations are also included there. In the project window, you can see the language resources that can be used in the task options. Here, you can subsequently add other language resources or remove language resources that have already been used. If you have any further questions, please contact us via service@translate5.net. Have fun using Translate 5.